Hello everyone, welcome to this second video on implementing Twitter API. For this project, we'll be implementing Twitter API on our local system itself. We'll be doing that by using xampp. So in this video, we will set up a local host using xampp. We'll use our Twitter ID and then we'll create an application in the Twitter application manager. So in this step, we'll download xampp. You can do that by just going on to Google, typing xampp. You can download the required version from the official site. I've already downloaded xampp. Now you have to install xampp. It's a pretty simple guide through process. I've already installed xampp. So now we'll check the local host. You have to go into the xampp control panel, as you can see. You need to start your Apache and MySQL. So now you can check whether your localhost is working or not by going into the address bar and typing localhost. As you can see, the localhost is working. So now we'll create our own PHP file and we'll try to run it on the localhost. So we'll go to my computer, the directory where xampp is installed. We'll go to xampp htdocs and we'll delete all the content and we'll create a new PHP file over here. We'll name it as 1. Now you can edit it using, we'll just give out a simple command for echo hello world. Now we'll run it on the localhost. Here's our PHP file, and when we run it, it shows the hello world output. So now what we are going to do is we'll try to change the name of localhost for our convenience. Now we'll change the name of localhost to some other name. We'll go for twitterapi.com. So first you need to close the server, then go to the following directory, that is Windows system32 drivers etc and host. We need to edit the host file. I've already edited the file. I'll show you. So this is the host file. You can edit it using Notepad. You need to add the following lines in the bottom. You can just save the file and you can move it to its original directory. Overwrite the previous file. Now we'll do the same again. We'll go to xampp directory, Apache folder, configuration, extra, and we'll edit the vhost file. I've already edited the file. These are the lines you need to add in the bottom. You can just save the file and you can move it back to its original directory. You can overwrite the previous file. So now once you have done that, just start the server again. Go to the browser and type www.twitterapi.com. So as you can see, it functions just like localhost, except for this time you have a new name. So you can just bookmark this link as you will be using it again and again for this project. Now in the next step, we'll be using our Twitter account and we'll create a new application. Now we'll sign into the Twitter account. I'm already logged into my account, so we'll go to Google and we'll type Twitter application management. We'll go to this page, apps.twitter.com. Here you'll get a list of all the applications you have created. So here we'll create a new app. In the name section, we'll provide a name for our application. We'll go with Twitter API implementation. In the description part, we'll provide a small description about the application. For the website, we'll give out the link which we have created for our localhost. It's http www.twitterapi.com, and use the same as callback URL. We will agree to developer agreement and we'll create our application. So the application is created. Under details, you'll find all the basic details about the application. You can delete your application if you want to. Under settings, you'll find information about your application. You can change the information if you want to, and you can provide separate icon for the application. You can input the organization name and website. You can update all the information. Under keys and access tokens, here you will find the consumer key, consumer secret key, and under token action you need to create the new access tokens. So we'll create my access token. So as you can see, application access tokens are generated successfully. So these are the tokens: access token secret. So in implementing API, you will be using consumer key, consumer secret key, access token secret, and under permissions you can change the permissions for your application. In the next video, we'll try to get into the implementation part. We'll go through some libraries provided by Twitter, and we'll go through some Twitter URLs.